Assalamu alaikum students for class NE, and we are on unit number 10. Let's start. In previous video students we studied about sentences, and we have changed by using stop. Both are changed, but we have to use in both sentences stop. Like Jamil is shouting, so we will change tell him to stop shouting. And the second sentence is Uzma is not talking now. We will change in present perfect tense by using third form, like he has stopped talking. Clear? In the last we will use gerund. I hope you have made sentences on your notebook. And question number 4, matching sentences we have done. Now today we will do story Tom Thumb 1. On page number 39 we will read the story today. So first, this story is very old. It is not true, but many children enjoy hearing it. Students, this story is very old. It is not true, but we will enjoy by reading it. A husband and wife did not have any children, and they felt very sad. There was a rose in their garden. One day they found a baby boy inside the rose. He was as small as a man's thumb. He never grew bigger. They called him Tom Thumb. Students, his name was Tom Thumb, and Tom's mother was very happy. The question is, students, why they call him Tom Thumb? Because he was as small as man's thumb. Like our thumb, he was like our thumb. That's why they have named Tom Thumb. Tom's mother was very happy. She made fine clothes for him. What she has made? Fine clothes for him. He had a green coat and yellow trousers. On his head he wore a yellow hat with his feather. You can see here there is picture of Tom Thumb. On his head he wore a yellow hat. You can see there with a feather in it. His mother made him little leather boots on no bigger than fingernails. Here you can see there are boots, and they are no bigger than fingernails. Tom loved wearing his clothes. He asked his mother for a sword and a shield. There is sword and that is shield. She gave him a needle for a sword and a button for a shield. Students, his mother gave him a needle, means sui, for shield, and button for shield. Tom liked carrying them. He wanted to be a soldier and do brave things. One day he went for a walk. He met two men. They were strangers. Stranger means, students, ajnabi. Mean they were not they were out of city. That's why they were strangers. He did not know them. One of the men held Tom in his palm because Tom was very small. That's why they held Tom in his palm. This little man can help us, he said. Now students, next part we will read in next story, and now we will underline some difficult words, and you will make sentences on your notebook. So first is hearing children bigger, thumb, fine clothes, feather, leather, fingernails, shield, sword, needle. Next, strangers, soldiers. These are, students, difficult words, and you will make sentences. Now we will do question answers. The question is first, is the story old or new? Students, you have read now the story is very old. Is the story true or untrue? Untrue. Where did they find Tom Thumb? The answer is they found inside the rose in a garden. How small was Tom? He was as small as a man's thumb. Did he grow bigger? No. How did Tom's mother feel? Tom's mother felt very happy. What did she make for Tom? She made fine clothes for him. Next, What color was his coat? His coat color was green. What color was his trousers? His trousers color was yellow. Next, what color was his hat? His hat color was yellow. Has students' hat and trousers has same color. What was in his hat? There was a feather in it. What were his boots made of? His boots were made of leather. How big were his boots? Students, his boots were no bigger than fingernails. Next, what did Tom love doing? Tom loved wearing his clothes. What did he have for a sword? Students, we have read that he had a needle for sword and he had a button for shield. What did he like doing? He liked carrying sword and shield. He wanted to be a soldier and do brave things. Students, these are question answers. You will learn from there. Firstly, students, you have to read this reading by intonation, and then you will make sentences on your notebook, and question answers you will learn like I have told you. Clear? Allah Hafiz.